Welcome to Precog Express. Precog Express is a universal data connector. It lets you pull data from any source and send it just about anywhere, streamlining the entire data integration process. Let's take a look around. Log in and choose either Google or Microsoft to start visualizing your pipelines. What is a pipeline? A pipeline is the connection between your dataset source to its desired destination. Let's create one now. The first step in a pipeline is selecting your source. Consider where your data comes from. As you'll see, Precog already has a wide variety of sources. If you can't find your source, ask us about adding it. It only takes us a few hours to a few days to configure a new source. Let's go with Shopify. Create a new source from any available API. To save time, let's use a source that I already had configured. Now we're connected, and you can see how Precog has discovered all of the available datasets. You can easily choose them all, but for this demo let's select blogs and countries. Next, let's choose your destination. You can choose to send it to Google BigQuery, Kafka, Postgres, SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, Snowflake, and SQL Server. Let's go with Snowflake. Clear instructions to access your destination are right here, just like when choosing a source. Now that our destination is connected, let's put in a name for our pipeline. I'll also put in my email to get notified about things like when our data is ready to load, when it's finished loading, or to inform me of blockers like invalid credentials or necessary whitelisting. Now that our pipeline is created, let's get a macro view. Here is where you can add additional notification recipients should you want other members of your team alerted. Precog is designed to be flexible with the needs of you and your team. This means that pipelines are editable while sources and destinations change. You can add datasets from brand new sources and edit or remove old ones, all directly in the pipeline. You can even add a schedule, having reports load as quickly as every 15 minutes. Or you can enter a cron statement for more advanced scheduling. It's up to you. That was setting up the pipeline. Now let's start a load in Snowflake and see what it looks like. In Snowflake, you'll find your data sets ready to go. From here, you can join them together and build a report that helps you understand your inventory's exact location across multiple countries. This is just one example of how Precog makes accessing data radically simple. Head to precog.com now to get started.